Alex. Ai, rapaz, que é isso?
In the first half, should have don't get their equalising goal, and they break away, and this is what happens. Everybody is too quick for Carlos Puyol. Checks in, socially it falls kindly for Ronaldo, and he ain't going to miss from there. And that means Barcelona need 3 goals, and Jordi Rua has to make changes now.
Uma função, olha o Vinícius, lá vem ele, tentando a marcação, levando para dentro da área.